In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout settings Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look to the lower left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you control most of your store's core configuration. In the Settings page, use the left-hand panel to find the checkout option, then click it. This will open all of the checkout-related settings that affect what your customers see and what information you collect from them. At the top, you'll see the Customer Contact Methods section. Here you decide how customers identify themselves at checkout. You can allow phone number or email or restrict it to email only. Think about what works best for your business and your audience. If you rely heavily on email marketing, email only might make sense. Just below, you'll see options to show a link that lets customers track their order with the Shop app, and an option to require customers to sign into their accounts before they can check out. Check or uncheck these boxes, depending on whether you want to encourage account creation or keep checkout as guest-friendly as possible. Next, move down to the customer information area. This is where you choose what details are required. For names, you can decide if you only want to require the last name or if you want both first and last name to be mandatory. Then, for the company name field, choose whether to include it, make it optional, or make it required. You'll see the same kind of options for the address line to field and for the shipping address phone number. As a general tip, asking for fewer required fields can lead to a smoother checkout, but make sure you still collect what you need for shipping and customer support. Scroll further to find the marketing options. Here you can allow customers to opt into email marketing. You can follow regions recommended by Shopify or manually choose the regions yourself, depending on your legal requirements and audience. You can also enable SMS marketing, but for SMS you'll need to install a compatible SMS app from the Shopify App Store first. Below that, you'll see tipping options. If you'd like to accept tips, check the box to show tipping options at checkout. You can set 3 preset percentage options that customers can choose from. There's also an option to hide the tipping choices until a customer actively decides to add a tip, which can keep the checkout cleaner while still giving the option. You'll also have the ability to add a post-purchase page from any installed apps that support it. This is useful for upsells, surveys, or additional information after payment. In this area, you can also edit your checkout language content to better match your brand voice and manage things like address collection rules and add to cart limits if those settings are available to you. Once you're happy with all your changes, look up near the top of the page, close to the search bar, and click Save. Always make sure you hit save before leaving the page so that your new checkout settings are applied to your store.